Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel where you get a Likkle Everything Jamaican. I am Michelle and thank you so much for your continued support. Now today with me is my husband Marcel. He's not behind the camera, currently taking out some things from the car trunk because today we are at Mass Nevi again. We brought him some goodies, a compliment of a number of donors. So we will talk about that in a little while. But please do remember to like, share and subscribe to the channel so once we post a new video you will be updated. Alright, and also with us today is our daughter Trimel dropping in. Alright, and guys, you can see the evidence on this car. Look at this. Boy, we could not vlog this journey today. It was just so tiring. I was cringing all the way because, boy, it was so bad because it rained yesterday. Has been raining for a number of days. So you can just imagine how the road is. And so it's a lot of mud all over. So, nonetheless, here we are. So we're just going to go over by Mass Nevi right now. So today we have some items for him. We have groceries and we also have a gas stove that was donated by one of our donors. Okay, so as you can see guys, as a result of our donor, well, we have two donors. One has asked us to purchase from Mass Nevi a gas stove. So we bought him a 2-burner stove and the gas is here as well. Mass Nevi?
Yes, ma'am. Long to see you.
You long to see me?
Yes, ma'am.
Say yes to me now.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, man. Oh, Lord. So how have you been doing?
Well, still a going, you know. Life still a blow.
Okay. That is the greatest.
Yes, ma'am. You have life, you know.
Yes. So how the bed?
Yeah, right, you know.
You sleep good and
yes,
everything?
Man, everything for everything go on, man. I sleep comfortable, man. I break house dust down also, you know.
Yes, yes.
Yeah, give God thanks for, you know. Life a blow, stay away.
Yes, man.
And that is the greatest.
Yes, yes.
And what I go on. To give God thanks for everything.
Oh, yes.
Give God thanks for the good time and the bad time. Yeah, man.
Yes, that's absolutely true. Your road is so bad today.
You shouldn't drive away to come, man.
But which way we should I drive?
So, when we go, so you should have come.
But the two part bad.
A part is so bad.
I was thinking it when we were coming up, so it looked like it worse. But the last time when we left and drive that way, we were saying, boy, this really not even much better. But I guess because it has rained, so it make it far worse. The car was skidding and all of that. Sliding all over the place. So, boy, but you know, we're thanking God that at least we reach.
Yes.
And we reach safe.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, man. So you have food and everything?
Yes, ma'am. You know, cook it, you know.
You know, cook it?
No.
You eat breakfast though?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, talking about that, we brought you a breakfast, you know.
Yes, ma'am.
Donna wanted us to buy you breakfast. Trimel is going to go get it for you. So maybe you don't
I have to cook again.
What you say? What you just say? You didn't say cock up. Okay, so you will just have this and then you don't have to cook. Yes. So we have two donors from overseas.
Yes.
One is a lady, one is a male. And the lady, she wanted us to buy you a 2-burner gas stove.
Yes.
And so we bought the 2-burner gas stove, and along with that, she asked us to get gas. She asked us to top up your grocery, and she asked us to bring you some food when we're coming. So that's why we bring the food, and we have the 2-burner gas stove that Marcel will set up in a little while.
So, me don't like gas stove when you turn on the light, you know.
Huh?
You know what you want to turn on, and you know that one day the one you turn on the light.
Oh, which one that now?
Yeah. So
all right.
Yeah, so when you turn on your light.
Oh, okay. So this is yours, you hear?
Yes,
it's yam and dumpling and banana and stewed chicken.
Cook again.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Right. So And then you have another donor who, he says to tell you that you have a new son. Right? That's the male. Right? So we just want to say thanks to them because
She the apparent.
yes, man, the lady, both of them is overseas.
And she still have a son.
The one is a lady,
Yes,
and the other is a male. So the male said to tell her that, you know, you have a new son.
Yes, man. glad we know that.
Yes, man. Yes, man. And he's your namesake as well.
Yes, man.
Yeah, man.
My two for you.
Him name Neville.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes. All right. So we have a female, Erica, and we have Neville.
Yeah.
All right.
Yes,
so
those
are our two donors. I want to say thanks to you guys.
Yes,
thanks so much for everything.
Man. Everything, man. You did rough for me, you know, man.
Yes.
Yes, man. God of himself, son, you know, man. Anything you see God do, nobody can stop it, you know.
Absolutely.
No one, man.
Yes. So true, Mass Nevi.
Nobody.
Yes.
You see God do, man. I see this house, you know. Where you live in, you know. And the lady that me come live up here, for me, they live around so round on the road also, you know.
Yes. Which is another bad road.
Yes, ma. When you go across now, go around. And it was so far.
Yes.
And that lady, they put me there, you know, to stay at the yard and say every about 2 months, me clean up the yard and go pay rent for 1 month.
Yes.
The lady, and that him know what happened to that lady.
Yes.
And this lady, you know what, till they if you come here, so you know,
yes.
All who come here so couldn't get it, man.
Yes. Yeah.
And no matter what they do, they couldn't get me out of God make me there.
Yes.
Can you see God do, man? Nobody can put us down.
Yeah, it's well done.
Yeah, well done.
Yes, man.
Can't move it.
All right, so Mass Nevi,
yes,
you know, it rain almost every day. We don't want the rain to catch us up here, so we're going to set up the stove for you and teach you how to use it.
I know, so I have to set it out in the kitchen.
No, sir. You can't go on the other side here, so?
You want that, so?
Yeah, so unsure. But don't the kitchen too far.
And too far, but I'm going to say they will keep it down there.
Oh. All right.
And too far.
Yes.
We have to go get one lock to put on down there.
All right.
And I accept me no want to teach you for we meet up to yesterday, me go look too cool. Yam tick over so and them say that's a chunk yam tick them, you know. I hit a beat me too, you know. If you are looking old, you know what I mean?
Oh, okay. Oh, you have to look. So where you go look the wood?
Over there, so me just go pick up some yam stick.
Oh, okay, okay.
You better put it, you put the stove in the kitchen, you know. You better put it down there and the men will keep it down there.
No, man, up here, so I have to stay.
All right.
Stay there, sir.
Yes, all right.
Mass Nevi don't want the stove up here at all. You scared of it?
I'm scared. I'm scared if you light it, you know.
We're going to show you what to do. When you feel confident enough, then you can use it. If you don't feel sure, you just leave it. Until we come again, we continue to show you how to use it,
yes,
all right?
Yes, ma'am. Yeah. Maybe soon start use this fire and tell me go back at doctor and me get my glasses, you know.
Yes.
Yeah, I'm going to use this evening, Master.
When you get your glasses, maybe you'll be able to see a little better.
Yes, so until the gas done, maybe get gas.
Make we pray now. Make we pray, Mass Nevi.
I don't want it done. I don't want it done, Master. I don't know if you ever get no more, not so.
And that the gas expensive, you know. I mean, you're going to have to buy it.
Okay, so Mass Nevi, see we bring you, there's a bag beside you that has in some water.
That we got best of a man.
Yes.
The water for me, I tell you some miss. Me get up one morning, you know. I mean, I know they come here and hop in the drum, you know. I would get up the man, so me see the cover. And nobody no call to me, you know, I say, Lord Jesus.
Somebody took out the water?
I them do. They don't took out the light, but me see Jim once and I say, boy, I don't want to drink water, then you know.
Yes.
outside there, you know.
Yeah, so the first one is the water, and the other one now, it has in some grocery bread and egg is in there.
Yes.
Your egg finished the last time?
Yes, when we cook them two top egg, me boil them.
Oh, so that maybe last you just a week or
Yes,
so.
a week, yeah.
So you have some more things there, just
Yes.
topping up the groceries
Yes.
and so on.
Yes, man, God, man. What a man is with God. There's a woman, maybe no one knows a God, man. God is God.
Yes, man, absolutely. All right, let me see what Marcella do around here. So,
Yeah.
oh, okay, everyone. So, this is another little space that Mass Nevi has. So we're just setting up the stove around this side.
Let's see.
We have some holes around here too.
What to cut a wash? What the hell go put this?
What you taking out?
I say if you put this stove other corner, take out if you wash if you out of the wash pan there.
No man, it's good.
Yeah. But in there so dark, you know, realize stove that's when you know.
Huh?
You know, but use it right there now.
I go use it, man. Yeah, I go use it. My name drop over my box. We are set up if you use the Mass Nevi. We are sure if you use it, yeah?
Yeah.
I have no problem.
The problem party, the old problem. Oh, I didn't look clothes, man.
Where do we those?
How about this? Yeah, this.
That's the regulator for the gas.
Oh.
What you do with the sponge you left the last time? You not take it up back?
The sponge?
Mm-hmm.
You know, did burn them up.
You did burn it?
Yes, man.
Yeah.
You burn up everything where you put out this.
Okay, that's commendable. Yes, but so you know, save the other one for the man.
See this one?
See this one?
Oh, okay. Yeah.
But me burn up the other one, then, man.
So nobody come and visit you?
Yes, man. One lady come and I say, well, you set up the place nice.
Okay, okay. Yeah.
Yeah. Two of them come.
Yeah.
Set up it nice.
That blue part, Marcel, is a plastic over it?
Yeah, it's here now.
Oh.
I'll cut you tonight.
The Mass Nevi,
Yes, ma'am.
there's a young lady that we met in Christiana,
Yes, ma'am.
and she sent $1,000 for you.
Oh, my.
And there's another one who we met in Mandeville.
Yes.
And she also sent $1,000 for you.
I like how me don't have no money. I mean, I go a doctor next month. I mean, I say, no, how me I get me fear, you know?
Yes, yes.
If pay.
Okay, okay. Yeah, man. So I want to big up the ladies.
Yes,
Thank
man,
you so
oh,
much.
God, man.
Guys.
Them know, man. Them know, say, me have to big them up and give them praise on God, man. Have luck with them, man. Always have luck, man.
You have luck with ladies?
Yes, man.
What you saying?
I just have to put me aside, you know, we for me turn, you know. Well, I don't know what you me born as a lady, man.
You're born as a lady, man?
A lady born after me have 5 sisters. And I'm going to go and boy my mother have.
Okay, that's what you mean.
Yeah.
Yes.
Look with lady, man. Anywhere me turn.
Yes.
Me go down so, down I clean down so. And the lady down there carry me go across the road.
Yes?
Yes.
Oh, wow. You have luck with the ladies.
Yeah, and come up with cane for hug and all them things.
Oh, yeah?
Yes, man. One lady from out he come out of the cross. He work down there, you know, if you got to.
Yeah. So she help you out.
Yes, man. He help me out, man. Have a look with them, man. And this is one man I know, him one, this is a man I remember me and good to me.
Who is that?
This man.
Oh, Marcel.
Yes, man.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, man.
You're the lone man, Marcel.
Yeah.
Yes, brother. A truth.
Oh my God. And remember, you have a new son, Mr. Neville.
Yes, man.
If you go, tell us something, Master.
My daddy did and left them, me know. They done left it.
Master.
Yes, yeah, right. You know what I'm saying?
No, Master.
I'm the greatest shoemaker one, you know. Oh, God, he built from upwards. What you man, man? Yes, man. Bad shoemaker one, that man. Built from upwards, come right down.
Yeah.
And he did, and we have followed me to go bury, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, well, one brother a pastor, but they don't remember me. None of them remember me.
Oh no. You have a brother who is a pastor?
Yes, sir. Apparently, Lancelot Watson.
Oh, okay.
No remember me. Me I take a notice of the man. Me go to town one time for me one sister with the airport more and me go spend one time with the man. The man go one place go buy some bun. And the man never say me can buy one of bun and give me.
Okay.
For that me say me, he never buy a bun and give me, sir.
Maybe you never see that time.
Then we go with the one place and him one me drive go down a place go buy bun and sin.
Oh boy.
After him one me drive go down there, no.
Same office here.
Yes.
You get through, Marcel.
Yeah. Almost done.
Let me see how that look.
That was it? No, tough out here, that one. Once I can switch back.
Yeah, this look like you have a lot of flex.
I thought God is terrible, man.
Yeah.
I serve God. Tomorrow I go on fasting.
Yes. Yes, man.
Yeah.
Fast and pray.
Yeah, man. I'm fasting tomorrow, brother. Not me like as the water, man.
Yes.
Water help me.
You want to have phone, Mass Nevi?
Yeah, that me want, man. That me that look for.
Can't get to check in on you.
Yes, man. That me want, man. I want a phone. And them I say they did a phone, them know they want a fashion.
Your type, yes.
Yes.
Your type.
Yes, me just want.
Your type.
Yes, you want a bangers. You bangers, you want a fashion.
Which man there?
Think she went outside.
And took up the matches, you know.
Which we gave you some matches?
You find 2 boxes of matches.
I'm not sure if we do that.
I don't know.
You not there no more?
No, it wasn't us. We never bring any matches.
Oh. Why something else?
You say somebody gone with them?
Yes, sir.
Oh, so we use like the fire now.
But you say me have a lighter, but me hide it.
Oh, you hide the lighter?
Yes, I mean.
So you're not even me and auntie already?
And sometimes some people just run now, you know.
Don't tell her already.
Run in there.
Okay, all right. Oh, boy. Really? It's kind of... Yay! Look at that. I thought Mass Nevi would need matches to light the stove.
No matches, Mass Nevi.
Oh,
You know what me I say? I've been the house, you know.
Yeah,
Go
man.
check it out, Mass
You're
Nevi.
more
So
advanced
you have-
than me, Mass Nevi, because me never have a clue what you were asking about that.
Yeah.
Fire the pan it now, you know.
Yeah.
Turn them off, Marcel, and make him. Show, and then I can show him how.
Yeah.
Oh, so you don't have it. You see?
Matches.
Oh, are you able to see the stove?
Yes, man.
Okay. Yeah.
Alright, we're going to show you how to light it now. Let's see, try to move.
It want steady up a bit more.
Yeah, I'm going to see when we can sit down.
Put that steady it up first.
Yeah, one on the Mass Nevi.
Mass Nevi, don't touch the top yet because
It's hot, yeah?
yeah.
You just turn off it.
I go want a pot now, good pot. We now go black.
Don't touch up there, so.
You don't have no black, you don't have no pot.
What you may have members, I would pay me a take.
Oh, so you know want to put. Oh, okay.
Yeah, me now put them upon it.
Yeah, you can put it on it until I get the right one.
Yes, yes, sir.
Now we know why you go back down there, so go cook here.
True, sir. True,
You
man.
know if you go back down there, go cook, you know.
True, sir. True.
Cook right here, sir.
Yeah. So if me put out,
Alright, master. Alright.
it's a one now easy to blaze up. I blaze up my brother, you know.
No, this is not blazer.
Alright.
I'll let them make sure so when you finish with it, you turn off.
Yes. God, man, you see God. We make me have to go, go look, or walk up and down and come see if we go.
Rain a fall now, you could get wood to make fire.
Yeah.
Hard
So
down.
yesterday, I go over there, so go pick up to, I look to yam, pass out to me, say a chang yam tick him. And I know for him yam tick him. And he must say, me and my family, and in that time, say, one idea, make him look close down to where you give me. Just make her. You tell you have to close the man, can go get out, man.
Also, yeah, use the wires and wire it down on it so it don't shake.
Yeah. It's the best place to put it right at the wall, you know?
Yeah.
Because the fire and burn the wall.
Right.
So like that's these clothes, Mass Nevi.
Yes, ma'am.
Them have to take out and put run on the other side.
Yes, yeah. Me you want if me they have a clothes basket, you know.
Oh, you know, no clothes basket. Oh, that's okay, okay.
Could have put them in there below.
Maybe we'll forget your one.
Yes, man. We put them in there, you know.
Yeah. So you have a lot of food leave from last time?
Yes, I have a good amount.
Okay.
Mass Nevi, I said I serve him till August.
No, it's just me, you know that.
June, July, August.
So we still serve you till that time?
Well, that might be me now cook to that, you know, so. I like how you can add bread and all this in this.
Yes.
But cook.
Mm-hmm.
And sometimes, I tell you, man.
That's the box that the stove came out of.
Yes. Could buy one good luck, put one of the oil. On this one.
So we add it to the legs then, Marcel. Or you just catch it?
Is the place not level?
It's not level. Lord.
See if I get one little piece of thing.
They can put it on the cardboard.
The cardboard could use? No, but you don't want that, Mass Nevi.
No cardboard, that's all. Alright. See this?
You can see it,
Give me a
or?
hand, give me a hand. Hold this.
This here, yeah.
Yeah, press it down and turn it to me.
Press it down so.
And turn it to no, hold, you have to hold it. Yeah, yeah. Press it and turn it. Turn it to me now. Yeah. Turn it till you hear it click. Yeah, it light now, you know.
Yeah.
And
You see fire?
Yeah. Yes, sir.
Turn off it. Do it again.
Press it down again.
And turn it to me.
remember you have to hold
You have
it.
to hold it and turn it. Turn it to me. Press and turn to me. Turn it man, until you hear it click. Anytime you hear it click, you can let it go. Turn it. Turn it. Hold on.
It's not, Mass Nevi, you have to hold the knob. Yeah, hold it,
No,
it.
you know.
Grip it like this.
Yes.
Yeah.
And shove it down.
Yeah, press it and turn it now. Turn it right round. Yeah. That light.
And to turn it off now, you do the
Spin it the
opposite.
other way. Spin it back.
Press it down
Yeah.
and
You
spin
don't have to
it.
spin it. You don't have to press it. Just turn it.
Turn
Okay,
on
okay.
now.
Yeah. Press and turn again. Turn to me. Turn it right round. Good.
Alright.
Turn it off.
Yes, me understand it, no one.
Turn it on. Turn it off. Do the same thing over that side there. Sit here, sir. Sit right here. Yeah. Good.
Uncle, you know what when I beat me?
Turn.
Uncle feel light it.
Turn it off.
I didn't
Yeah.
like that fret bone.
And when
Light that one
you
over there, sir, Mass Nevi.
Sir?
Light that one over the next side.
Light it?
Yeah, light it back. Good.
Yes.
Yeah, you can hear when the flame comes.
Yes, man. Yeah.
and it's very high. You have to try not to put your face too close.
No,
You
yes,
hear?
you see it, man. You know.
Oh, you're seeing the flames.
Yes, man.
Yes.
Yes, man. Wow.
Turn off, you know.
God bless you, sis. God.
Light
Yes.
You're not living God.
Good.
Aye.
All right.
That's the other same man.
So make sure.
Yes, man.
Anytime you turn it off, you hear it click.
Yes, man.
If you're not clicking, a turn off, yeah?
You think you're comfortable with using it?
Yes, man. Yeah. So I must just turn this off. We have to turn off this off.
Turn on it again, let me see. Not if you press it so hard. Good. Turn it off now.
Uncle, the light not that trouble me, man. If you take matches or lighter, you know?
Yes.
You light it.
You
Yes.
can use matches light it too, you know.
Go me the one.
But you don't have
Oh, you
to.
don't have to use matches. Once it at light this
Yeah,
way.
yeah.
Alright.
Yeah, me the one.
You just turn it like this.
Yeah, yeah, you light.
You see, Mass Nevi?
Yes, sir.
Look.
God bless you.
You don't have to press
It's
it hard,
good.
you know.
It's good that you're seeing the flames,
Yes,
though.
man. Yes, man. Yeah.
Just,
Right.
Yeah.
Can't boil on this to tea in ya.
and you can turn down. Where pot there? Come up with boil some water. You see if it hot. Make we see if it can hot some.
Yes.
You see your face, no trouble, Mass Nevi.
No.
Mass Nevi?
Yes,
What
ma'am.
if you see how it work?
Oh, okay. Mass Nevi, where you gonna get the pot? All the way down there?
No, man, I want pot in here, so.
Oh.
Remember say no.
You want wash out. You go.
Remember say when we go and buy a microwave, them always
Test it. So yeah, test this.
put warm water in it. You can see flame and you not hot nothing.
Really? Is that even possible, Marcel?
Well, we are test it.
Let me see what Mass Nevi do out here. Oh, yeah, go outside, go get water.
Yes, man. Go wash out it and wash out the pot.
Oh, yeah, wash your pot. Okay.
Let's go ahead, man.
You can use sand.
Aye, our hashes.
Oh, you know so.
So I just go it.
Yeah, I understand why you never really ask it, because you have to put it on the wood fire.
Every minute, man. Every put it on the wood fire, but sometimes you take ashes and score it off, man.
Yeah, and you should just rub some cooking oil on it.
Yeah.
And with the soap powder,
Yeah.
and then it will be easier to wash off.
Yes.
Just let me keep on. Burn them to choke.
I'm good if we burn them because we were worried that if we burn them, the fire might
So you
spread.
know I know can't do this, sir?
Yeah. No more. There's something to score it.
Yeah.
To wash it. And if you can score.
In the kitchen, I wonder if it's better if you store down this.
Go for the right time. And come on and see how to store in there.
Oh, that's why I keep looking to this side because.
Yes, man, that's it. Me, I stay make it up on the wall.
Uh-oh.
Mr. Mass Nevi, this is water.
Where you get this water, Mass Nevi? Dirty, man. This water too dirty.
Yes, man, I have to wash it, man.
Oh. It dirty.
So we use a pan though?
Take up water.
For the one?
For cook.
Pan want wash Mass Nevi. I wash it.
Okay, I see
Give me
it.
soap, Mass Nevi.
Okay, I see it, Marcel.
So water in so look on the water in so better.
Now
And you know, sir, I will give me the water down the sun.
You look like leaves and stuff are drop in the water, so it discolor it. That water is really dirty though.
where's Scotch Brite, the Mass Nevi?
Yeah, how come with it, sir? If you find it, you know.
One nice spot this one.
Yeah, it's a nice black spot.
Hold it to that. Burn black.
So guys, Marcel take on the responsibility for wash Mass Nevi 2 pots for him. He don't have any pots, so I don't know if it's even possible to scour it. Marcel have to use a Scotch Brite.
I use the first one.
God asleep. God.
A soup you cook, Mass Nevi?
Yes, sir.
Make some soup, man.
Yes, I make cook soup.
Yes.
Is what kind of soup you cook, Mass Nevi?
And some chicken back soup.
Cook the soup you call when I give you some, man.
I mean, told me used to cook, you know. I mean, I told at the one house, me used to cook myself, man. Me say me talk to old man named Mr. Jackson, man. Oh, God, man. Sometimes you meet some man, you know, man. That the man teach you everything, man, in life, man.
Yeah.
The time I don't work no me and him, then I sit down and I play job.
Very nice, eh?
Old man, he say.
Lord have mercy. I don't know. Me just look on the pot and I look if it really possible to wash it.
You know what I want? This
Steel wool. See the knife now.
Thank you, sir. See me, sir. All right.
My father used to do show me car right time I see Ethel Palmer there. Rosie Palmer there. You know what Ethel Palmer too, sir? You know what Ethel Palmer?
No.
Rosie Palmer.
I don't know them.
I want to tell a man, the ended the man.
Which part?
In that church square there. Over right as I turn good to tire. My man name Ethel Palmer, I used to do tailoring.
Mass Nevi, them man they must be way beyond me.
There before you want.
Yeah.
I'm a Sammy Boomfield, you know I'm a Sammy Boomfield.
No, sir.
Therefore you.
Me a young boy, you know.
Me know that man. Tell me that man.
I hear my dad feel about them.
Are your wife a young small to know about them this morning? This morning, a young small them.
Yeah, but
I want to tell man when came there last.
It's a come off, Marcel. It didn't look impossible.
God man, you know God people man.
Oh my God. Maybe I should use a Scotch Brite to wash this bucket first before
Never wash it. Yeah, before me.
touch
That's
the.
crazy, you know?
Yeah. Must never not see it, that's why. Mass Nevi, when Marcel done with them a pot, you don't want no new pot.
No new pot, no.
I don't put it back down there, sir.
No sir, no sir. I tell me down, so the brother will come. Boy, I tell you some man who no conscience, you know. He say, "Of me, I bad, you know." And when he come here at this evening, I'm going to come here. So when he come, if you don't have your neck in Bonauti. Cook.
Cook for you too?
No, find him neck kitchen, I cook in the restaurant, he give me half a piece yet.
Where you come from?
From, when you go. You call the place, you know. We're at the hospital, them there. Poor us.
First thing left from come sleep at your house.
Yeah.
Go cook in your kitchen and go back.
I hear me work here so. Ben film auntie, if come see auntie.
Also,
I'm still saying if you work back here so. So I hear me work here so until you see come now. I just say sleep. So I'm still at the work so you to am salon run so. So around.
All right. We are cleaning the pot first.
okay.
You have a black up yourself, you know, sir.
You think so?
Yeah, man.
Jamel, you want to come scrape off one?
Are you daughter?
Yes, sir.
Big daughter, man.
The first daughter.
Big one. And he black up himself too, man. What that, man?
You know, black up man. Skill like that. Oh, okay, so we never have this in mind because I don't think Mazel was even thinking of it either, that, you know, we bring in the stove, but we never consider the pots that Mass Nevi use them on the outside, so them, you know, they would be like this. So here we are, because Mass Nevi needs some pots to use in the meantime. So Mazel is doing his utmost the best to see if he can clean them up. So we'll see. Yeah, of course. I didn't even know that it could come off, because I'm saying that he's using it for a long time on the wood fire. So it, you know, may take a little while, but.
No, you see, when my sister did tell me, until you take the ashes and square it off the pot, you know, you take also a pot to hit. So when you take some now and put it on and take off that now, when you add it again now, you know, it black will come off.
Where you go get?
Yes, man, who passes down this in a place. My one sister, Anata, you know, Panata up here so. Yeah.
Okay.
Up there, up away there, me born, I want place up there, me born, but my mother come from Anata.
Nata?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
But my mother did dead. You know what Anata, ma'am?
Yes, man. I don't know if they're good, but I know exactly where you're talking. Yeah. You get some, you get enough.
You like all fire in it?
Mass
Yes,
Nevi.
I boil my tea down.
Oh, gee.
I wash the pot like I'm going to cook all night.
You see it, sir? You see it, sir?
So if I'm cooking there,
Yeah.
I have to wash it. Not all.
You most, man.
That's the same way I do it.
Mass Nevi,
Yes, ma'am.
these holy roosters and chicken around the place, is yours?
Me? What is it? Come from me?
Oh, okay, okay.
Yes,
You
sir.
can keep your company.
Yes, sir. Mr. Me take a picture in crow.
It's a lot of them, yeah.
Then all the silly egg about the place, man. Yo, Mass Nevi.
You know, you see the lady on
You're
the
not going to find in it.
no,
Them
sir.
pretty too, you know.
Yes, and I come and pull them, you know.
Yeah.
A good
You have
breed of
two
holy,
lovely
you know.
roosters.
Good breed of pull them, man.
Yeah.
Come and pull them.
Yeah, sweat Marcel, man. The office sweat.
Inside that pot black.
When your eye
Pressure cooker this one?
Yeah, man, you
Yes.
see it.
yeah,
The handle pop off.
yeah.
And it looks like it's soon rain too.
Yeah. You glad for the rain though?
And you only have this drum and the one that's behind the kitchen.
Yes, sir.
Well, back in the kitchen now, I wash out Mass Nevi. You look like a leaf them off it. The tree.
Yes, and you know, say I first get water. I first get water in there, no.
That means it never,
Long time.
yeah.
We did dash your water.
You throw the water and then
Yes.
catch fresh water?
Yeah, so I say that's me no.
No, but maybe because it's a metal one.
No, plastic.
Oh, but maybe because you haven't used it in a while, it kind of have a build up in
Yes,
there.
and I'm going to dash your water and never wash out.
No, I wash out.
Yeah. I petal it, come up here and petal dash the water for me for a minute and say water no look good.
Oh,
And you dash
okay.
your water for me.
Only one wash again.
And she now left out still, you know.
Yeah.
Petal.
Ashes are, no, sun are mal.
Yeah.
Sun would be better, right?
Ashes not going to be done.
Make you need something with some, what you call it, like the steel wool thing. If you had that, it would.
Can't do it now.
Yeah, I know, but you're waiting first to get off most of it.
Yeah. Well, we're done with that, we just dash it away.
We done.
Yeah.
You mash up Mass Nevi, scratch bright.
Me no so like it, you know.
You also like
But
love
you
it?
want me no like it. You see, me brother did that one them before. You see the fudge them. If you take the hand square your pot and then, might be in the pot, you know. And you go cook soup with them, you know, might be, you know.
Oh,
They could fudge them, you know.
yeah.
Fudges.
Yes.
That's what we say, fudges.
Yes, yeah. Good for going there. So you see the one, you know, the other one now. Much better.
Yes.
So one has some hope for fudge upon it. So it's scratch bright.
Yes.
And scotch bright, this you know?
It's the steel wool you don't like, right?
Ah, it's still right. That's still the right one. Still wool.
But this one here, so it's scotch bright.
Oh.
Bill muscles.
Wow. Lord jeez. Wait a come on, Marcel.
Huh?
Wait a come on. It look like something I go on.
Better than before.
Woo!
No. And you now go black again.
Oh my word. Oh. No, Marcel. Oh, it's a lot of work though, you know. It's a lot of work.
Yes. Yeah. Black.
You look at job to score up at a restaurant. You have to give me the right
Huh?
tool. You have to give me the right tool.
Oh boy.
We do about them at J on the road.
Yeah. Marcel, it look like it over rain, so I don't know if you can do two. You may have to just do one.
That you do with weather.
You gonna do two of them, Marcel, or just one?
See it, Mass Nevi?
Yes, sir.
You can see it?
Yeah, man. Me see it, man.
Okay.
I just pat bad, I know.
Yeah, it may say because you can see how it stay around it.
Next time we come back with
It
finish.
never scores the Dutch pot. You want some water, sir? Go another drum round this one to cup the water running and you can take it and wash out this. If you not dip in this. One drum round this, you know.
Where?
run at the back.
Oh, you have a third one?
Yes, so I use wash.
Oh, okay.
Yes, man. Come off good.
Maybe when I use the Scotch Brite, it will take off more. But you want some fresh water.
Oh, man. Come now. Come now, man.
All right. Yeah, but you don't have none in the meantime. You have any other paint bucket, Mass Nevi?
One inside is
Where you can use this one? No, make it stay first. Hold on.
Where you use that one though?
Let me go for it. Show you it.
That one better, Mass Nevi. So just throw away this one here. We'll throw away that one day. That water around there so better. Yeah, this one look clean.
Oh. It's not catching enough.
But that one, but it's cleaner than the one you brought up, Mass Nevi.
Oh, cool. For me, all the world, me say,
Marcel said the man leave jackfruit for us there. Right there. Yeah, tell him thanks. Oh. When he watch the video, we hear it. See if we can zoom in on the jackfruit. See it there? Oh, the dog. Oh, is it the jackfruit make the dog come down?
put in your car.
Put
in your car.
Me soon do it. Him can't touch it.
Oh, well, I want teeth, you know, in the kitchen.
In teeth?
Lord God.
You can take a pot off for your spoon, Master.
Sure, this is water your house stay.
Don't throw it again.
Him say my show so it stay.
No.
Go away. Don't touch it. Man. I don't have the time. Jamal has the time.
Rain a drop, you know.
That is it. We don't want the rain catch us up here. The road was.
Hey, you walk your job away there, man.
We'll continue.
That way, yeah, so.
Yeah, man, it a drop now. Mass Nevi look like when we come back. Marcel saying we do the other part here when he come back.
Come on.
Oh Lord, Marcel, you see what happened to me now? The rain coming. You know, almost every time we come up here it rains, except for the time when we were cleaning.
You get back away there, man.
Alright, when we come back, we carry something there.
Yeah.
Steel wool.
Steel will have nice it up.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It can do something. Alright, Mass Nevi. See it there.
Wait.
Come up some more.
Dutch pot.
Oh, you want the Dutch pot?
Yeah, okay, back down, sir.
Hold something there in there, some ashes and something.
Yeah, no, okay, back down.
Okay.
But you know, alright, I know, man.
It's alright now.
You can't black up now.
I need an umbrella. Marcel, let's see what's happening here.
Rain.
Camera out to the elements right now. Hold on, we have to pause this.
Now, what comes to her? Most man. If I sit here and give you God bless you and thanks, man.
Yeah.
Oh, me dad do. Look on the water there. The water there.
This water look clean.
Yes.
You want a little, somebody had suggested that we get you a little piece of mesh to put over it.
Yes, man.
So maybe next time.
Yeah.
There's paint on it, Marcel.
Yeah.
Yes, I paint. You have it up. Mm-hmm.
That's the cover for your soap pan.
Yes, sir.
See?
Yes, sir.
Alright guys, so Marcel is in the process of washing the bucket from Mass Nevi. We're able to wash the pot, so it's raining now. I don't know if it will come down hard in a little while, but just want to use the opportunity to say thank you to all the donors. Thank you so much. Your giving has been a blessing to Mass Nevi,
yes,
and he's overly grateful. Right, Mass Nevi?
Oh God. Tell them God bless them.
Yes, man. Them are here. You watch the zinc. You here at your foot.
Yeah. God bless you, sister. God make two baskets never empty.
Yes.
And now go empty for God. You got children.
Yes, man. Sisters and brothers, that is. Remember your son, Neville.
Yeah, man.
Sister and son.
Sister and son. And those two ladies would have donated $1,000 each. You know, God bless you. May your store basket never be empty. We're more than grateful, and we always thank you for your support of the work that we do. All right, so now Marcel is hurrying up to do this. I don't know how much more we'll be able to do.
Put a knife in it too.
So Mass Nevi, you're going to put something on the stove still?
No, we're not putting it on that.
So you think you're all right with using the stove?
Yes, man. Yeah, man.
All right.
We want to see you put the pot on the stove, master.
All right. We want to see that and then.
That one there.
So when am I going to put in there? Water?
Just put the pot on the stove.
Put the Dutch pot there, sir.
Eh?
Put the Dutch pot there, sir.
Okay, so you want the Dutch pot over the side where you can find it?
Yes, I'm going to say.
All right, you come now then and...
No, like when I was with my foot, my shoes.
Your shoes. All right, take off your shoes now. We wait for you. Yes, thank God you have your thing up.
Some brother, you are coming like my brother, man.
Yeah,
My brother
man.
know how to do them blessing. I'm the son. Yes, sir.
All right, Master, if you go put on some water, Marcel, if you carry
Yeah,
the
put on the
water.
water.
What you want to do?
You go put on the
Marcel
pot.
say he wants to see you light the stove by yourself, so we know that you're okay when we leave.
So put some water in this
He
thing.
might come with it, he might wash the bucket, or you will get water. You have to go back on this
No,
side.
man, the water there, sir.
Well, we can't put it in. Remember, say it have soap on the bucket. We
Oh,
just
yeah,
wash
back on
it.
the other side then.
Be a mosquito in a drum.
Lord. Yeah, man.
The soap, yeah?
Yes, sir.
See, it's up on the table, you use wash it pot.
Mass Nevi,
Sit down.
Oh,
you put it on the stove.
yeah.
Yeah.
Now I put the water in it, light up in my bass.
Now I got to put that.
Huh?
Want some of in there?
What?
Knife? No, man, not in there.
The cover with the.
For the what?
No, you can't get soap already.
Oh,
It's just water in the pot now.
yes, sir.
Ah.
Yeah, they know.
Yeah.
Alright.
Yeah.
So that's cool.
Make it stay first. Go on.
Mass Nevi want to turn off it. Oh Lord, thank you so much, Erica. God bless
God
you.
bless you, Mrs. God bless you.
Yes, man.
God bless you. Boy, I know say boy, I want to do you. I know say God will never bless you. So what me have to go through with the wood.
God will ever bless them.
Man,
Yeah, man.
say sometimes when me one up here, all boat, you know, all in a bush.
Yes.
After I'm find field plus.
Yes.
After all the cool.
Must see a good bucket here now.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, man. That one clean, so
Yes.
you use that one here.
Right, man.
Don't carry go down so again here.
No, sir. You put it right up here. What we did one?
Oh Lord. If the pot get 2 more scoring, it good to go.
Yeah, man, I bring this steel one next time.
Mass Nevi, eggs. The eggs are on the table, okay?
Oh, up there. Oh,
Yes, yes. Water. A little bit of water. You just have to see.
Yes. Oh.
Why?
Let's see if Mass Nevi stove can boil water.
Ma'am, and if you just put it right, sir.
The dog must sit down.
The dog gone, man. No, you're not out there.
See if it's hot. Hot enough.
Alright, so Mass Nevi is official.
Look.
It's a bubble. You see the water? Oh.
Water boil up Mass Nevi.
Yeah.
Mass Nevi say, yeah.
I go hold that stove, man.
You hear it?
Yes, ma'am.
Well, you say it's the first you go hold a stove.
Yeah.
Oh my
You
God.
did that one them.
Yeah? Oh, you said the older type.
Yes, the Christnell stove me out there. And when me told me I have a hot plate.
Yeah? When the Krasnal stove, we used to put the Krasnal in the bottle and turn it down in the side of it?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh my
Used to have
God.
like 2 burner like this.
A long time stove that, you know, Mass Nevi.
Now see them again.
So your water boil up so you can turn it off now.
Yes.
Ah, perfect.
Yes, ma'am.
Mass Nevi, if you don't hear it clicking,
No, you know, turn off.
Yeah, and it's the same thing when it's on, when you're
Yes.
turning it on.
Yes, ma'am.
remember water hot pan is stove now.
Right, sir.
Yes, man.
So,
So,
I think say you go on cancer.
oh Lord.
You know, but
We don't have time for that,
You're in a
Master.
Mass Nevi.
all right.
We have to run. Next time when we come, you give us.
Yes, ma'am. I'll come for this something you know.
Okay, so remember you have the groceries there in
Yes,
there.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am. God
Your
bless
bread,
you.
your oil, your lasco,
Yes,
oats, and so on.
Aye. You know, if you could put no again in there, you know.
Yeah?
But you see the last then you can come give me a hit me boil and drink it right now.
Oh, the lasco, you drink it as is.
Yes, ma'am.
Oh,
like
yeah. Because it's a food drink. You can just mix it in water and it's all right.
What?
Yeah. All right, so we are going to run now, Mass
Yes,
Nevi.
ma'am. I'll come for this something.
With something again. Oh, Lord. Yes, please. All right, we have it in the car, so you can come for it.
Yes,
All right, Mass Nevi, stand up. Make we say bye-bye first, and then we go.
Yes, ma'am. Better put,
Do it outside.
Okay, let's go outside. You can put on shoe.
put in.
Sorry. Oh. So, guys, we just top up Mass Nevi with a few little things because we have been bringing him groceries every time we come, so he
Yes.
always has.
That means we can't run out.
And today we're bringing him some water.
Can't run out.
Yeah, man. And eggs. So we just top him
You know
up.
what to go mash your party?
Where was it again?
Oh, I don't want you so you're all right then.
Okay. All right. All right, guys. So, you know, thank you so much for being here with us, for always tuning in and for always supporting us. And thanks again to all the donors.
Yes.
All right. And please remember to like, share, and to subscribe to the channel, please, guys. And help us to reach at least to 50,000 subscribers. All right. In the meantime, this is where we end the video for today. And Master, if you want to say nothing else?
Well, we say that God will ever bless them and keep them.
Yes.
And give them health and strength. That they might remember the poor we provide for us. So they know, so well then we poor and God will ever bless them and keep them.
Yes.
And thank them very much for this. And I don't have tongue to give them thanks.
Yes.
ma'am.
All right, guys. Thank you so much for making it a little everything Jamaican.
Yeah.
Blessed love, stay safe, and bye-bye.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah.